Originating from the leading machine design and manufacturing company in Vietnam, Cnc-Vina become a contractor with the fields of M&E construction and providing professional industrial engineering services including utility systems, pipeline system, factory facilities for FDI customers, large corporations in Vietnam. With a team of mechanical and electrical designers, experienced in all designs on 3D software, will help develop large systems and thoroughly control errors in the design process. The performed works are regularly monitored and managed so that timely adjustments can be made to ensure progress, quality, and implementation costs. With an infrastructure including a precision mechanical processing factory, a structural processing factory with a total area of 15,000 square meters, we can take care from designing to manufacturing mechanical parts, industrial tanks, working platform structure, steel booths. We support foreign technology contractors Germany, Korea, Japan, China, with the ability to arrange human resources up to 200 skilled workers in welding, cutting, mechanical and electrical installation. Timing and quality are always our survival motto. With the design experience over 15 years, gas pipes, firefighting systems, stainless steel pipes for chemical-resistant pipelines, are carefully and conscientiously designed and manufactured. Ancillary systems such as boiler, chiller, gas station, firefighting, DI water are an indispensable part in production plants. We are ready to accompany customers to build solutions. Select equipment to the system not only ensures performance, but also provides optimal quality and longevity. The HVAC system has one important function: to provide the best air quality for people in any environmental condition. For industrial plant HVAC system with large duct line, high-capacity industrial fans are never difficult for us. We provide installation service and check the operating status of electrical equipment in the factory, early detection of abnormalities, timely recommendations and handling, storage of all information. With the experience specializing in automation, along with the technical support of robot manufacturers such as AB, Fanuc, Kuka, Yaskawa, Nachi, and paint mixing equipment suppliers, welding equipment suppliers, Cnc-Vina is the beloved partner in Vietnam for setting up robots for painting and welding lines. Constantly learning and maturing each project, we are confident with our capacity to implement big technology and high-tech projects. Cnc-Vina always looks forward to contributing a small part to the success of your project. Please contact us for good cooperation in the future.